So the last little part of this chapter is going to be how they've actually organized all these living things. Because don't forget, there are tons and tons and tons of living things on Earth, and we have to have some way of organizing it. So in 1969, Whitaker came up with a 5-kingdom system. And so here is a picture example of the 5-kingdom system. So you have the plants in one kingdom, the fungi in another, animals in another, protists in another, and then you have the kingdom Monera. Monera used to house both of the types of prokaryotes, the archaea and then the regular bacteria. Now, if you notice, I have the word obsolete up there, and that's because now we go by a 6-kingdom system. And basically what happened was they have split the Monera into archaea bacteria and regular bacteria. So it's a 6-kingdom system instead of a 5-kingdom system. And that actually makes sense. Now, one thing I want to point out to you while we're learning all of this stuff is that it is a work in progress. So even the stuff that was in my research that I had as genus and species names, all of a sudden I'm looking at those and being like, that's not what they were. So these names do change over time. Not a ton, but they do. One thing that's under a lot of review is the protist kingdom, and when we get there you'll see why. It's a very diverse kingdom, and now they're talking about breaking it into different pieces, so that could change over your lifetime too. So it is a work in progress. And that's basically it.